I'm Jordan Catling, Associate Director for Client Technology at the University of Sydney, and today we're in the brand new F23 administration building at the university, where we've deployed a very large number of Zoom rooms which are enabled by Sharp technology. Consumer technology has become a lot simpler to use in recent years, and our staff and students are bringing that expectation to the university. So it's on us as the technologists at the university to create those really simple experiences for our staff and students so they get a real natural experience when they're using our solutions. Traditional touch displays weren't providing an experience that was the same as a chalkboard or a whiteboard. They introduced a significant amount of delay, and that was quite distracting for our academics that often thought a lot more quickly than the technology could cope with. The new multi-touch displays are really great for that use case, but also in situations where we need to have students or staff collaborating on work in a whiteboard mode. They can use both sides of the display at the same time and get a real natural experience with no latency. We've deployed over 160 Sharp panels in our Zoom rooms across the university. It allows anyone to use our technology, whether they're staff members, students, or visiting academics. They can walk into a Zoom room, they get a real intuitive experience that they get with their consumer technology, and we don't need to provide user guides for people to be able to drive the technology. Sharp has quite a broad offering of displays which meet most of our use cases across the university. We use them in small meeting rooms, large meeting rooms, and all sorts of different educational contexts. The thing that really impressed us about the Sharp displays was the accurate 10-point touch. It means that multiple people can use the displays at the same time to whiteboard. Also, the anti-glare coating on the screens means that we can deploy them in any environment across the university, whether it's a dark room or one with a lot of natural light. We've been really happy with the reception of these new Sharp-enabled Zoom rooms across the university. The demand is unprecedented and we get nothing but positive feedback about them. Staff, students or visitors can walk into a room, they get an intuitive display to use. Everything is really straightforward. They can connect from no matter what device they have, and it just works.